So this is my tool for removing these headlight cartridges. From a Volkswagen MK6 with the bug-eye style headlight. Basically just has a slot in here, a larger handle that sticks out farther than this one would stick out inside the housing, so that you can actually get the grip to turn this even on difficult side, the driver's side, where you've got your air box and your fuse box getting in your way. This is a sport wagon, should work fine on a Golf, I assume a Rabbit as well. Anything with this MK6 style headlight. So I'll just show you real quick here. That's the back of the headlight housing. You can see just the tip of that cartridge in there. And basically all you do is take your tool, stick it in there, slot it onto the tab, and now you can see it kind of hangs off there a little bit. You can see it sticks out a lot farther now than the actual tab does, and so you can reach in there. Even if you got larger hands in this small area, just get your thumb on there. If you're turning it the right way, counterclockwise, take your tool off, and now since it's just loose in the housing, you can just reach in there with a couple fingers and grab it, pull it right out of there. And then you can install it the same way. Make sure you've got your arrow pointed the correct direction. Basically, you want these tabs to be on the top, just like normal. Stick them in there. This is just to get them aligned. Look in the actual headlight housing from the front to make sure that you're getting it properly. And just using a couple fingers for this. Just to get it started. Is take our tool, hook it back on there on that tab, switch hands for this. Basically the reverse of how we took it off. Get it on the tab, see it's hanging off there now. We can grab it with our thumb, pull it clockwise. And now, check that it's tight. Our new headlight is installed. And we did not have to remove anything from the engine bay because of this tool. That's it.